Dear Dodash, isn't it amazing how a video could touch lives by the message shared from one to another? I want to personally thank you and congratulate you. You are in elevation mode, in the tunnel of YouTube, the platform where you create your works from your thoughts and experiences. Your moments are your treasures, and your treasures are your moments. You are elevating on every level of success in your creations and in the messages you deliver. I am rooting for you as you continue thriving through elevation and success, both over the sea and on top of the mountain. Congratulations! You are a creator, original from within. I nominate you for your growth and success as you rise above all your achievements in the sea of transformation. You are one of a kind and unique in your own way, learning as you excel on your journey in life. As an artist with talents, you stand firm in your integrity, being organic and naturally true in this world. You are a survivor. Congratulations. Remember this: in any event negativity tries to hit, a negative is a miss with no signal, lost connection, no connection. Positive always win any outcome. Continue elevating. Presently sincere, affirmates and conversates. Peace and blessings to you. And I am going to show you your letter.